Hello again and welcome back to Saving to Live. I am Shay and today's Ally Invest video is going to show you how you can actually locate, research, and get information on different stocks. Now, compared to Robinhood, as many people who are coming to Ally are also trading on Robinhood, the simplicity of Robinhood is an appeal, especially for new investors. Coming to Ally, it is going to be a learning curve because you have to literally find information versus them guiding you on where to look. So what you would need to do is go to the top of the page and go to research. If you are on a computer or a desktop, I advise you to do this now so you can just get an idea, so you can just do it while I'm talking to you about it. So you're going to click on the down arrow here with research and you get three options. You get market, stocks, and options. I'm going to talk to you today about the markets part. So this is going to be the overall page for the market. This is every stock that allows you to do research. You also have the option of searching individually for stocks, but right now I'm just going to show you how you can go about seeing what's the most popular stocks happening, which ones are gaining the most money, which ones are losing, earnings, dividends, all that good stuff. I literally hated Ally a couple months ago because I thought it was just so stupid about how they had everything lined up, how it wasn't just like in your face like Robinhood. But again, every account is different. How they set things up is different. So you just have to, roll with the punches of what you're going to get. But now that I understand it, it's not as bad as all. It really is a good idea. I like the way they have everything set up. So right here on this side, you have market events. This is where you pretty much have all information you need as far as earnings, dividends, conference calls for any kind of person that is currently holding stock in certain companies when they have these virtual meetings and whatnot. You get to see what those companies are talking about to give you more of an insight of, hey, should I be looking to invest in them or no or whatnot. So for instance, for earnings, this right here, when you click on the blue, earnings will pretty much update you with what companies currently have the estimated earnings and what they compared to a year ago. This allows you just to see, based upon January the 6th date, what these earnings are looking to be expected to be based upon the company. When you want to do more research on the company to look at the graph of the chart of how they've gone up and down with their pricing, you can just click on the names here and it will take you to their actual profile. Now, I am a dividend investor. I like to look for stocks that got dividends. I mean, I want the best of both worlds. So, based upon again January the 6th, as and this date can be changed as well. So say I want to look into something maybe January the 12th. I click on January the 12th, and as you see, the numbers here change to reflect what's going to be happening with different stocks based upon that date. So I want to go to the dividend section. So here you will go back to the same page you saw for earnings, which again is for the events. So you don't even have to keep clicking on here just to go back and show you. I click on overview, I get back to this page and you have the major events. All I have to do is click on events here and it takes me literally to what all that is showing me, but all on one page. So I'm going to scroll down to the dividend section. I'm going to click on show more. And this right here, based upon the date of January the 6th, which again I can change over here. Let's go back to the 12th. Everything is updating and it's going to populate these stocks based upon that date of January the 12th that I want to be looking into. So when these populate, you're going to have pretty much the description of the stock, the symbol, the dividend amount, the pay date, and all the other information. What I like about this is that instead of me typing in different stocks that I have heard about or seen about, and I want to get information on the actual dividend and whatnot, it all populates here. And I can just literally do the research based upon, well, I want to, how much stock prices are, how much their dividend amounts is, and based upon the criteria that I look for, I don't know why it's taking so long. Let's just go back to the six. Um, I can pretty much dictate how I'm going to move forward with my money. So right now, based upon January the 6th, we have Oracle here, the symbol. Right now it's showing that their dividend is 24 cents. And you have to pretty much have it into your possession by the 6th in order for you to get this dividend, which the pay date is expected to be 121.21. So this is right here is like what I really like about this, because if I'm looking for different dividend stock, this helps me just to see what type of companies are offering dividends, how much it is, when the expected dividend date is, and I can just click on these blue tickers just to go right to their information. I can do more research on their performance over a couple years, couple months, and you get the confirmation here of the dividends and the earnings and more information as it populates. So that is what the number one thing I like about this platform, because I really hate to keep on having to go to NASDAQ or Googling a company's ticker to find out what their dividends is. It's like literally all in your face. And it opens me up to different type of stocks that I have not even heard of. Now moving down to the market movers. This is very similar to a lot of other platforms, especially Yahoo Finance, which I like to always watch. Because in the corner section in the Yahoo Finance, you see all the stocks currently being traded, which one's going up, which one's going down. But with this one, you get to look at all three markets, the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, and the AMEX. And you have to click on them to get the different tickers for each one. Now, basically, you will go over here to the sort data by. Right now, it is not showing much of anything because it is not the time for the market to open. It is currently in the pre-market stage where it's not there yet. So once it actually opens, all this information will populate on the side. Now, again, you have the percentage gainers, the percentage losers, the dollar amount gainers, the dollar amount losers. I like to look at dollar amounts. I don't like to look at percentages. That's just what I like to follow. So what I would like to do most times is go over here and click on the gainers, which will update me based upon the ticker, the description of the stock, and the last price with the percentage gain and the volume of how many is trading currently for that stock. So if you follow you're trading based upon volume. This will be a great thing as well. And it gives you all the information here. Now, these are mostly ones I am familiar with: Shopify, Carvana, Fiverr, all those good stocks. And it gives you, again, how much you need to get money wise in order to obtain these stocks. And again, it goes with the same thing with losers, and it populates here. Now, if you're a different kind of investor who likes to capitalize on companies where they always go down, but they always pop right back up, I've been able to secure quick gains by following the losers of certain stocks because I always know they go down and up and down and up and down and up. I mean, of course, there's no guarantee, but my luck has not run out yet. So I like to come here and go look to see which companies that I know of that are good that are currently having a moment where they're in a decline, and I know they're going to pop back up. So if I had 719, I know Sherwin-Williams is a great company. They're going to pop back up depending upon how much they went down. So if I had wanted to buy one share of that, I can quickly gain however much that they may have lost and gain that back within a couple of days easy. I mean, that's just something that I like to do. Not telling you to do it, just something I like to do. And also, if you like this video so far, why not subscribe? Just go to the bottom of the video, push that button. You get other update videos from me, from Allie Invest. And so going over to the macroeconomics events, again, I don't even really know what this is. I don't look at that at all, but I think it's some other way of researching stuff if you're into that. It's there. And then again, here goes the conference call section. You see Consumer Electrics have a date event of 1/6, and which I don't see why. I would think I mean, I guess if you're a shareholder, you would get the information in your email regarding what's happening, but you get an idea of which one's currently having these events to help you with your buying power regarding investing in these stocks. So, yeah, this is basically all you need to do in order to get information on different stocks. Now, again, the market update, this is by the minute. You get all the major updates happening, and you can click on view more here just to get more information with the top stories. You can read all those to help you dictate how you want to move in the market currently. And up here, you have the major ones. You click on show the chart, and it gives you the actual look per which one you have on here from Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, and so on and so forth. So this I feel is like a really good um I like this one because of again, initially this had to be found because it's not like Allie is like, hey, if you want to look for stock, go here, which I think is stupid. But I found it and I'm giving it to you so you yourself can know how to navigate Allie to find stocks and do different things. Yes, it is not the same as Robinhood. Many other places are not. We're not just going to have a bundle of stocks saying, hey, this is the most bought, this is all about Florida, blah, blah, blah. You have to just do your own due diligence like you have done before Robinhood came about. But with everything that you are going to be receiving here, I think this is more than enough to help you find these different stocks, especially when you can just come down here and do a quick change to see top movers, top losers, and see all these different stocks. So again, make sure you subscribe. Hope this video helped you out. Any questions, leave them in the comments.